If you're looking for a non-stick frying pan that brings ease and healthfulness to your kitchen, this Pricusis Nonstick ceramic frying pan is here to impress. Known for its non-toxic, durable construction and versatility across stovetops, this pan promises a healthy and enjoyable cooking experience. Here's why this pan stands out and could be the next essential addition to your kitchen. Straight out of the box, the Pricusis Nonstick ceramic frying pan looks sleek and feels substantial. The pan is crafted with die-cast aluminum, ensuring durability and a lightweight feel that's easy to maneuver. The 8-inch size is perfect for single servings, making it a go-to for eggs, omelets, and even quick stir-fries. With a non-toxic ceramic coating, it's free from PTFE, PFOA, and PFAS, so you know you're cooking on a safe surface. Why choose Pricusis Nonstick ceramic frying pan? 1. Healthy cooking with non-toxic materials. Health-conscious cooks will love the ceramic non-stick coating, which is free from PTFE, PFOA, PFAS, and other potentially harmful materials. This makes it a safer option for you and your family without compromising the non-stick quality. You can cook with less oil or butter, reducing calories and promoting healthier eating. 2. Effortless food release and easy cleaning. The ceramic coating on this pan allows for easy food release. Whether you're making a fluffy omelet or sautéing vegetables, nothing sticks. Cleaning up afterward is as easy as a quick wipe or rinse, perfect for busy mornings or weeknight dinners. Plus, the coating is resistant to stains and scratches, which means this pan will look as good as new with each use. 3. Even heat distribution with enhanced iron base. One common problem with many nonstick pans is uneven heating, which can lead to burnt spots. The Pricusis frying pan addresses this with an upgraded iron base that distributes heat evenly across the surface. This feature is especially beneficial when cooking delicate foods like fish or eggs, where consistent heat is essential for perfect results. 4. Versatility. Across stovetops. This pan is compatible with all stovetops, including gas, electric, ceramic, and induction. The enhanced iron base makes it suitable for induction cooking, which is not common in all non-stick pans. Whether you have a modern induction range or a classic gas stove, this pan delivers reliable performance every time. 5. Durability for everyday use. Pricusis designed this pan with everyday use in mind. The die-cast aluminum body makes it durable and resistant to warping, while the silicone oil coating protects against stains, scratches, and cracks. Even after heavy use, the pan remains pristine, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Top features at a glance. Non-toxic ceramic coating, safe for you and the environment with no harmful chemicals. Durable non-stick surface, long-lasting non-stick performance without the need for excessive oil or butter. Enhanced iron base, provides even heating and compatibility with all stovetops. Scratch-resistant coating, resists daily wear and tear, maintaining its good looks over time. Gift-ready packaging, comes in an elegant gift box, making it a great gift for holidays or special occasions. Cooking performance, putting the pan to the test. In terms of performance, the Pricusis frying pan delivers on its promise of a superior non-stick experience. Eggs slide effortlessly, and sautéed veggies cook evenly without any burnt spots or sticking. The pan's lightweight feel makes flipping and tossing ingredients simple, even for novice chefs. Unlike traditional non-stick pans, the ceramic coating feels more robust, holding up well against daily wear. Another impressive feature is its quick heating time. The iron base conducts heat effectively, reducing cooking time without compromising quality. This is a real asset when you're in a hurry but still want to cook up something healthy and delicious. Easy maintenance and long-lasting quality. Cleaning this pan is as easy as it gets. The non-stick surface wipes clean with minimal effort, and it's even dishwasher safe if you prefer hands-off cleanup. The scratch-resistant coating protects it from damage caused by metal utensils, though it's best to use wood or silicone for the longest lifespan. After months of consistent use, users report that the pan looks and performs like new. Who would love the Pricusis Nonstick ceramic frying pan? This pan is ideal for health-conscious individuals who prioritize non-toxic cookware and want a reliable, non-stick pan for daily use. It's perfect for quick meals, from scrambled eggs to pan-fried chicken, making it an excellent choice for singles, couples, and families who value healthy cooking with minimal hassle. Its compatibility with all stovetops also makes it a versatile choice for those who frequently switch between stove types or use induction. Final verdict: is the Pricusis Nonstick ceramic frying pan worth it? For those who value healthy, efficient, and convenient cooking, the Pricusis Nonstick ceramic frying pan is an excellent choice. Its non-toxic construction, even heating, and easy cleaning make it a strong contender among nonstick pans. While it's an investment, the durability and performance pay off in the long run, especially if you use it as your go-to pan. Whether you're cooking breakfast for one or a quick dinner, this pan simplifies the process while ensuring a healthier result. Given its unique features and sturdy design, it's a valuable addition to any kitchen. Try it once, and it might just become your most used pan. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.